Good morning, students. Today we are going to see chapter 11, construction. Students, listen before seeing that. In your previous classes, you have learned how to construct a triangles and circles like that. Okay. Normally, scale, pair of set square, pair of dividers, compass are needed in drawing a geometrical figure, triangle, circle, quadrilateral, etc. Okay, but here, students, listen, but here you are using scale and compass. Using scale and compass, you have to construct some angles. Okay, students, in this chapter some basic construction will be considered. What are they? Take these angles: 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, like this. Okay, you have to construct these angles by using scale and compass. So how do you construct it? Before that, students, listen. To construct the bisector of a given angle, take an angle ABC. Okay, here take scale. Students, listen. First, draw a ray. This is B, this is C. Draw another ray. This is E. Okay. Now this is an angle ABC. Is it clear? Now we have to construct its bisector. Okay. How do we construct it? Students, listen. Taking B as center and any radius, draw an arc to intersect the rays BA and BC. Students, listen. Take any radius. You just take any radius. Okay. Any radius, and taking B as center. Same. Okay. And then this is D. Say this point is D. This is E. Okay. Now, students, listen. Taking DE as center, and with the radius more than half DE, DE, draw arcs to intersect each other. Students, listen. More than DE, that means this is half. Okay. This is half. D, you just consider a straight line is there. So this is half. Take more than half. Okay. And taking D as center, E as center. Now taking E as center, draw arc. Okay. So this point F, you just join BF ray. Okay. Students, listen. Now BF, draw the ray BF. Okay. This ray BF is the required bisector of the angle ABC. Is it clear, students? So if it is it is angle bisector of the given angle ABC, then we can say angle DBF. This angle is equal to angle EBF. This angle is equal to this angle. Okay, students, listen. How do you prove it? Okay, this now we construct. We have constructed angle bisector of the given angle, but these two angles are equal. We have to prove how these angles are equal. So students, listen. Just join the line DF. Okay, and EF. Okay, so here, students, listen. This is one triangle, this is another triangle. Now we are having two triangles. This is one triangle and this is another triangle. Okay, you just take these two triangles. Concurrence, already you have learned concurrence rules, na? You just take these two triangles and compare the sides, everything. BF is equal to BF because common. And BD is equal to BE, same radius. Okay, and DF is equal to EF. So according SSS concurrence rule, we can say DBF and EBF, these two triangles are concurrents. Then we can easily say DBF and EBF, this angle is equal to this angle by CPCT. Is it clear, students? Good. Thank you.